this wonderful forest in nature. Mother Earth did such a good job breeding this. Yeah. It's pretty thick. So we've got those Polaris 4x4 side by side. Yeah. And basically this is how we get out
Oh my goodness.
of your forest. We have a big drop in here of the roller coaster. Pigs everywhere back here. We got a big drop in on drop in Flashwood. Whoop-pow! Ready? 3, 2, 1, hop it! 4-wheel drive. Okay, okay.
Hey, Robert?
We got some mud here.
We're gonna take
Whoa,
your pants
whoa.
off.
Oh shit.
What? Oh god, you want me stuff?
Now you can sing.
Almost got stuck there. That was fun. I like almost getting stuck. I get stuck.
Well, what are you
Alright,
doing?
now we're crossing
Guys, Will's in the
the
box.
legendary Shirley. Alright. He's afraid to get wet, but we're crossing the creek, boys. Gotta cross this creek. We're on the island right now. We're on an island.
It's gonna be sick.
And now, let's cross the creek.
Guys, you gotta go faster.
I got it. Could have done that in 2-wheel drive. And now you can
I don't know about that.
Oh no, I know about it though. Been through Mud Lake. I thought it was a road. Turns out it was a lake.
Damn.
Yeah. So we got the winch on the front. We had to pull myself out with the winch. But we got out. Come alive, now we keep going, keep going. It's a robber! We're gonna take a robber!
Alright.
We keep going, we keep going, we keep going. And now we are at
Campsite.
10.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.